Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy by the grace of Allah. As likewise, you can say that Alhamdulillah, I'm fit and fine also. So today I'm going to talk about the such 30 tongue twister. By using those or practicing those, you can reduce your mumbling problem. Also, you can enhance your potential to become a fluent speaker. So let's get started. Top cup top tom tade tone tie two toes totally tired today. Colors kicks a kalikona kick. Papa Poppy pairs a pretty parrot, keenly cleaning copper kettles. Totally terrific arctic tongue twister. The six sick shakes, six ships sick. Ken quite like Kate doesn't care for Ken. Pull the puppy and pick the pen to poke the potter. A cup of proper coffee in a copper coffee cup. High-tech traveling tractor trailer Dhaka. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Pickpocketing in public transport portrayed a painful picture. 30,000 thirsty snakes thirstily drank 3,000 snakes. My sister sells silk shirts, but Mr. Fister's sister doesn't sell silk shirts. She sells seashells by the seashore. The seashells are surely seashells. 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. Picture of prominent poet P.B. Shelley portrayed the perfection of poetry arena. Mr. Tongue Twister tried to train his tongue to twist and turn to land the letter T. Papa, please pay the payable payment of pen, paper, and pencil to the paper house. Take the total tip in the tea garden to take the taste of every teaspoon of tea in the tea time. Canadian coffee house keeps a campaign for the chocolate cake in Cambodia. Campaign catches the concentration of Cambodians. Power plant produces more power to provide the better service for public. So to produce more power connection publicly, public-private entrepreneurship is profitable. Pronouncing tongue twister T is a tough task. Talented teachers technically teach the T sound when talked by using T. Capital city Cairo is crowded with kids to compete in a cricket tournament. The caretaker of Cairo arranges a carnival for the day. They call it Red Carpet Carnival. Telephone used for telemarketing and telesales the toiletries in Taiwan. Taiwan has tendency the telemarketing television temporarily. The temperature of Taiwan 10 time after time. Table tennis is popular in Taiwan. Always be cool, don't have ego with friends and family. Give up hurting individuals, just keep loving mankind, never omit prayers. Quietly remember Allah, speak the truth, use a valid words, express your zeal. If you understand, say understand. If you don't understand, say don't understand. But if you understand and say don't understand, or if you don't understand and say understand, how do I understand that you understand? Do I make you understand?